My name is Matthew Osina, and today I'll be explaining this phylogenetic tree based off playing cards, and explaining each of these terms listed below. So I'm going to start with how I have the tree organized. First is my outgroup, is the Joker, right? And that shared a common ancestor, or a common card ancestor, I guess. So from the Joker, it's split off to having numerical values. From here, it's split into the red and the black cards. And then from there, it evolved into the spades and the clubs. The black cards did. The red cards evolved into the diamonds and the heart. Now you can see these are different lengths. The shorter the length, the closer the species. And I did the links by the distance between the two cards. So in the 10 and a jack, the distance is 1, so it's the shortest length, but a king to a 2 is the longest length. Now, time to talk about the vocabulary. Anagenesis, hope I'm saying that right, is like the evolution of one thing into itself, I guess, from my understanding. So that would be like this outgroup. So it's like always been the Joker. No matter what happens, it always stays like the Joker. It doesn't change. Claudiogenesis, I hope I'm just saying these right. It's like where two species diverge. It's like here, how you have like two species, like a divergence. And even like smaller divergence right here and right here. OTU is the operational taxonomic unit. It's just how it's the classification system to make these phylogenetic trees. Now this is a rooted tree. You can tell by this, I guess, root as you would call it. Something I could have done is to make a non-rooted tree. I could have it when it diverged here, to the black, from black and red. I could have red going left and black going right, and that would have been an unrooted tree. The internal nodes would be these right here. It's like the point of a common ancestor. Most recent common ancestor is the closest dot between, the closest shared internal node between two things. So for the king of clubs and the 2 of clubs, it would be right here. But for the 6 of diamonds and the king of hearts, it would be right here. And lastly, like I said in the intro, is the outgroup, which is the Joker.